Okay, this is the main Staples template. Staples bank holiday offers you can bank on. So we are going to create the same sample in Klaviyo. What I did, I just took screenshot of these images, this logo and this main image and some relevant images which are edited as an image. So let's start. Create a new campaign. You can just keep the name of campaign as the subject line of the email. Save changes. We will use drag and drop feature. And we will select the basic template. Let's make it one column template. Okay, I have previously made the same template and I have saved the blocks of the whole template. So what I will do, first I will drag and drop different blocks and then I will let you know that how I created it. Number one, staple header. This is the header. Number two, staple shadow. This is the shadow. It makes the design more attractive. Number three, staple column based. This is the web based image. Number four, staple main image. This is the main image under which we can provide any link. So wherever the customer will click, it will redirect to the desired page. Here we can give any link related to that page. As this is a sample page, so we are not going to paste links on any of the image. Okay, again. Number five, staple product catalog. Because this website is different from the staple one, so it will show while we will go into the preview, it will show the different products. Again, number six, staple banner. It's just a copied image of the staple banner. Number seven, staple security image. Number eight, staple trusted site image. I just copied it from Google. Okay. Trusted site. Next one is number nine, staple social media links. All of you know very well that how we can edit it. I will just let you know how we can change its style and size and font. Number 10, staple copyright disclaimer. Okay, when it comes to the copyright disclaimer, I deliberately didn't add it. I will let you know how I added it. I will remove this extra block. So here, this is the written section where we will put the disclaimer thing. Here. Now what we will do, we will just copy paste the text from the original template, just like this. Contact number. You can be as creative as you can. If you want to make some changes, increase or decrease the font size, it's up to you. Now if we go to have to look at its preview, just save it. Look, this is the preview that we created, and it is as similar as the actual email template of staple.co.uk. Look. So in this way, you can, if there is a limited option of Klaviyo to add more and more fonts, you can create an image just like this, and either you can make it on Canva or any other image editing software or application. So you can use the images, but keep in mind that there should be a ratio of 60-40 or 50-50 ratio of the text and images, because there are some internet connections which don't allow to upload the whole image. So make sure that your main message should be in the text form, because if a customer or a subscriber or visitor opens the email in mobile or some while in some area that there is a low connectivity or there is less connection, so there are chances that customer may miss the main message. So this is the template. So how you can edit it, for example, what I did, I just added from the blog section, just to create this banner, I just added header link bar, and according to the requirement of the image, it was just like this, line in, not stacked. So we will use the logo inline option. To replace the logo, we will just click on the segment or block. We will go to replace image. I have already uploaded the images, so we will select the respective image. Here, this is the text form, this is the text. Here we will paste this text. Spend just $36 or £36 or ₹36, whatever. Just paste. Okay. So just to see the mobile view, you can see there are some changes to be made. You just go to block styles, and from there you can change the logo style. If you want to make it logo stacked, that actually we don't need, so we will change it back to logo inline. From here we can set the block padding -1. I think it should be 0, and from the left hand side we can make it 3. Zero. Okay, so look, this is how you can create the same look-alike design. No need to go into the hassle of learning HTML coding or all that stuff. You can create your own templates just with a little bit imagination and color scheme and all that stuff. So hope Anas and Alize and any other student who is wondering that how to create the same templates while using Klaviyo, so in this way you can create the attractive templates. Thank you.